This little page right here managed to blow up from absolutely nothing to over 100,000 followers in just a few short months. And it wasn't just some dumb luck or recycling old tired quote slides. They actually stumbled onto a brand new formula for AI-driven content that feels cinematic and fresh. I am going to show you exactly what they did and how you can replicate the whole pipeline, from creating a unique avatar to publishing short viral clips. There is one subtle difference though, because I will show you how Vizard can take the heavy lifting in the editing and publishing stage so you can scale without turning into a burnt-out one-person studio. First, take a look at their page metrics, where you can see millions of views across posts and dozens of thousands of likes popping off in just a couple of days. Their content is made of short, character-driven pieces, featuring Pixar-style anime visuals paired with a voice and a tight, punchy micro-story. It is not just a quote on a black background, as they tell a tiny, compelling narrative and then slap on captions and a punchline. That, my friends, is the true evolution of quote-based content. And if your feed still looks like it is from 2016, you are missing the whole point. The key is using a consistent visual identity combined with short stories that are built around a single line of deep emotional truth. The output is perfect for social platforms because it stops the scroll, hits you emotionally, and is highly shareable. They even monetized it into merchandise, and I saw a t-shirt from one of their most popular frames appear right in their own shop. So yes, this really is a case of content as business. And now I want to walk you through how I would recreate that exact style. We will optimize everything around Vizard so you can actually publish dozens of clips a week instead of spending days editing every single one. Let us start with part 1, which is building your look, specifically your avatar and overall visual style. You need to decide on your visual personality, whether you want something Pixar-like, anime-inspired, retro, or minimalist. For this example, I am making an anime-style avatar that reads reflective quotes, but you can pick any character you like or base it on your own face. Whatever choice you make, keep it consistent across all your posts, including thumbnails, intro frames, and your final scenes. Next, use a good image AI to create a base avatar, ideally using a tool that supports multiple reference images and negative prompts. Upload a few clear reference screenshots of your face or the character you want, then run variations for square avatars and vertical reels. Do not chase perfect realism because you should be chasing personality instead. Add art direction prompts like Pixar-style soft lighting, cinematic rim light, and melancholic expressions to get the best result. Make a second variant with a different mood, maybe something gentle and warm versus something moody and reflective. That lets you create a library of visual moods for different quotes, which is essential for long-term variety. Investing a small amount of time to create a distinct avatar pays off huge because your content will be instantly recognizable. Moving to part 2, we need to focus on script and frame planning for your micro-story design. These viral pieces are not monologues. They are 3 to 4 frame micro-stories that set up an emotional hook and deliver a payoff. Think of them like micro-chapters. A first frame to hook them, a second for the reveal, and a third for the punchline. Write the script as a single short paragraph at first, then break it into frames while keeping the language conversational and slightly poetic. I always use a prompt generator to convert the source line into frame-by-frame prompts for image generation. Part 3 is generating those frames and handling the quick animation to get the subtle movement you need. You will want slightly different frames that can be interpolated into a short clip, like a wide shot transitioning to a close-up. Most creators get bogged down doing manual frame-to-frame animation, but you can use modern video AI tools to do the heavy lifting. Once you have those frames that tell the story, use a tool that creates a short morph between them and adds subtle camera moves. Now, let us get into the real game changer, Part 4, where we let Vizard do all the heavy editing work. I tell creators to centralize on Vizard because you can design a batch of long-form content and it will automatically find the viral bits. Upload your long video, let Vizard analyze it, and the auto-editing feature identifies the moments where engagement is highest. You can swap the default thumbnail with your cool avatar frames, which keeps your branding consistent and really helps lift the click-through rate. Use the built-in auto-captioning to get accurate on-screen text. Then tweak the phrasing and colors to make your punchlines pop. Finally, use the content calendar to stagger those clips so you can set it and forget it, with auto-scheduling publishing for you. This is much better than doing it manually, because Vizard wraps the whole process up into one smooth workflow. In Part 5, we polish the voiceover, music, and the final look of your captions. If your avatar needs a voice, you can either record a short narration or use an AI voice that sounds natural and professional. Choose an inspirational background music track and balance the levels so the voiceover stays clear above the melody. Part 6 is all about your batch production and scaling strategy. Once you lock your avatar and project settings, you can produce an entire month of content in just a single day. I usually leave a small window for manual quality control, but the time saved using this system is absolutely enormous. Keep each clip between 6 to 12 seconds for Reels and TikTok, and always open with a strong hook sentence. Finally, add a brand hold frame at the end with your avatar and a subtle call to action to wrap it all up. If you want a workflow that actually scales, create an avatar, craft your micro stories, and let Vizard do the heavy lifting. You will be surprised how fast you can go from 0 to 100,000 followers when your content is emotionally tight. Alright, that is the process, so check the description for my prompt templates and avatar directions so you can copy them today. Now, go out there and make something people really want to share.